everyone, welcome to a brief overview of Multisoft Systems SAP IBP Training course. Multisoft Systems, with over 21 years of experience, offers 1,500 plus courses, partners with 10K plus experts, serves 2,000 plus corporates, has trained 1 million plus individuals, and earning a 4.5-star rating. Here we share the overview, benefits, and facts. The SAP Integrated Business Planning Training offers a deep dive into the advanced planning capabilities provided by SAP's cloud-based integrated business planning solution. This comprehensive training is designed to equip participants with the knowledge and skills necessary to implement and manage SAP IBP for real-time, integrated supply chain planning. Participants will learn how to leverage SAP IBP to enhance sales and operations planning, demand planning, inventory optimization, supply planning, and response management. Benefits of undergoing SAP Integrated Business Planning Training include improved forecast accuracy, optimized inventory levels, increased operational efficiency, and enhanced responsiveness to market changes. Additionally, the training enables professionals to streamline their organization's planning processes, fostering better collaboration across departments and facilitating more informed decision-making. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the SAP IBP training. It is open to all interested in mastering integrated business planning with SAP, enhancing supply chain efficiency. What will you learn? During the course you will understand the fundamentals of SAP Integrated Business Planning, configuration and management of SAP IBP applications, sales and operations planning process optimization, demand planning and forecasting techniques, inventory optimization strategies and models, supply planning and response management, integration techniques with SAP and non-SAP systems. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about SAP IBP and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our SAP IBP subject matter experts have profound understanding of business planning, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of SAP domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. Research has demonstrated that companies adopting SAP Integrated Business Planning experience significant improvements in supply chain performance, including reduced stockouts, lower carrying costs, and improved customer satisfaction. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's SAP IBP training, where you will excel in mastering integrated business planning and elevating your skills in strategic supply chain management.